As we enter Q1 of 2025, senior leaders must recognize this crucial truth. Your time spent in operations can derail your business priorities. Most senior leaders recognize the importance of their operations, especially during times of growth and change. However, it's really easy to fall into the trap of micromanaging or stepping in for your middle managers when they're not performing. My name is Tara Lee, and I'm with Next Level. And with my partner, Lindsay White of High Voltage Leadership, we help middle managers excel. So senior leaders like you can focus on driving growth and shaping the future of your business. So as an executive, it's your job to set the vision, drive strategy, and tackle big challenges. Yet without strong middle managers to bridge strategy with execution, it's really easy to get bogged down in daily tasks. But when you're in the weeds, who's actually steering the ship? If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Studies show that senior leaders spend up to 40% of their time dealing with middle manager issues. These middle managers are crucial to your success. They influence about 22% of revenue variation. Yet their role as connection leaders is challenging. It often leads to stress, emotional strain, and ultimately burnout. So, like ripples in a pond, these issues spread out throughout organizations. They create confusion, they slow progress, and they divert focus away from key priorities. So if you're ready to kick off 2025 with a strategic edge, then join us for our upcoming Executive Mastermind, where we're going to discuss how to reclaim 10 hours a week for your high priority projects without disrupting your operations. You're going to leave with actionable strategies to help support your managers in making confident decisions, aligning their daily tasks with strategic objectives, and streamlining their communication. Spaces are limited. We want to keep it small, so you'll find details and registration at the link below. Talk to you soon.